It's different because you get to work at your own pace instead of having to keep up with everyone, and you can do different standards. Like, you don't all have to stay at the same part. Like, if you want to learn about something else, then you can do that if you want to. We used to all learn the same thing at the same time, and maybe you're a little bit ahead, but you would like work on the same thing at the same time. This way I like it a lot better because you can do it at your own pace. It kind of excites me because I can take my time if something's really hard and if something is easy, and I don't have to like take a few days to learn one thing in it. Like, I can do it a little faster. I like learning this way because there's a ton of stuff you can learn. Like, there's a bunch more stuff you can learn, and like I said, you can work at your own pace, and there's just more stuff to learn, and it makes it more fun. You can figure it out by maybe asking a friend. Like, if somebody's already passed that, and you could go over them and they can help you.
So some people, you find out people who've passed that standard, and then you go talk to them? Okay, so that's one way. Is there any others?
Yeah, like if you say you're ready, but then you try it and you're not quite ready, then you can ask the teacher and you can like go back a step and work on it more. If you want to, you can just meet by yourself, but mostly it's just in a big group. Like, if there's a few people on one standard and they all need help, then she'll bring them all in a group to talk about. Oh, it's when you're done with all your standards, and like if you pass all of it, then you go on to more harder stuff and like do more projects and stuff. So
the mastery cycle is harder?
A little bit.
Why is that?
Because it's more challenging since you've passed all the other stuff. So it'd be like you've passed all the stuff, now it's getting harder because you're already done with the easy stuff, now it gets harder. You do projects like we're doing right now, and you have to just work more hard because it's more challenging. You do a lot more projects that are more difficult, and it's just really hard. Yourself and the teacher probably then.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
You're in charge of how you do it maybe and what you learn. I would say so. Like, you know all about it, and then like if you do the mastery and then you get it, you probably know that you know it all. And then you would probably tell the teacher that I'm ready for the test. She would submit it to you either on Are You Ready or on Edulastic, and you would take the test and just see if you could pass it and go to the next standard.
Is there any other way that you can show your teacher that you understand a standard other than just a test?
Yeah, kind of. Like, if you're on a practice and then you think you're ready for more harder practice, you could say, can I have like more harder practice, or can I meet with you, or something like that. The hardest thing would probably be that there's a lot of standards to learn, and it just makes it more challenging. But it's also good because you can work at your own pace, but then there's a lot, so that makes it a little tricky. I would say so, but maybe not if you've been working on other stuff for a while. Like, if you've been on the mastery cycle for like a few weeks, you might forget some stuff, but other than that, I think you would be pretty good at telling what it is. Yeah, I like to learn at my own pace, and I like to learn like things maybe a little different. Like in math, I would do, like if there was a tricky problem, I would do it different, and that would just help me learn better. I would say this year at a mastery cycle, when you had to draw down your own business, and I accidentally did the rooms were different sizes, and I had to figure out the area and the perimeter of it, and it was just difficult because they were all different sizes. I would say it would help me be more successful because it's made me learn a lot more, and it lets me know that like I can take my time maybe, and I've just learned a whole lot, so it will give me like a good chance to know a lot of stuff already because I've already learned it all.